you're thinking about your next travel adventure, this video is going to be perfect for you. We all know that a successful trip can depend on how well you pack. So in this video, we're going to be sharing all the best travel essentials for women in 2024. These items are going to help you have the best trip ever, making sure you're comfortable while you travel and that you also have everything you need once you arrive to your dream destination. We have 3 different categories for today: packing essentials, comfort and health, and last but not least, beauty. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the products. The first product in the packing essentials category is going to make sure that overweight baggage fees don't ruin your trip from the start. The Etekcity luggage scale is an essential travel item. It's compact, portable, and extremely easy to use. Simply attach it to the luggage, lift it, and read the weight on the backlit display. This will hold the measurement for about 2 minutes, giving you the perfect time to read exactly how much your bag weighs. It has a high accuracy for up to 110 pounds and a precision of 0.1 pounds. So it provides reliable readings every time. This product also measures ambient temperature, providing very useful information so your baggage never goes under extreme temperatures while you travel. And with just one button, you can control everything: on and off, tear, and unit conversion. This scale is designed to withstand the demands of traveling. Its compact size means that you can easily put it on your carry-on, making it a travel essential that you don't want to leave at home. This product is only $11.98 on Amazon, and it's going to be a product that you don't want to leave at home once you're traveling or on the go. Moving on, we have the BAGSMART large toiletry bag. This bag has all the perfect space to keep your skincare and makeup safe while you travel. I think the best part about this product is that it's going to keep your products upright with elastic straps. And if you're a skincare lover like me, you know that there's nothing worse than arriving at your dream destination, opening your bag, and seeing your favorite moisturizer being spilled all over your makeup and other items. So this bag will prevent that from happening. With this product, you're going to have a spot for everything: your shampoo, your conditioner, your razor, your makeup, your skincare, everything that you need to put in your travel bag. It is also made with water-resistant materials. So just in case you have any unwanted spills or leaks, you can simply wipe it clean. So if you're someone that travels frequently, you need a bag that is going to keep all your items safe and in one place. And this product is perfect for that, and you can find it on Amazon for $22.99. This is a very good deal for the high quality of product that you will be receiving. Moving on to our next category, comfort and health. Sitting on a plane or in a car for a long time can be very uncomfortable, but I guarantee you that with these next products, you're going to have an easier ride and you're going to prevent having that unwanted back pain that sometimes we get while we arrive to our travel destination for being seated for so many hours straight. The first product we have in this category is a travel pillow that is going to change your life forever. It is a scientifically designed neck pillow that is super supportive, lightweight, soft, and machine washable. The trtl travel and airplane pillow will help you achieve top level support and comfort on your neck. If you're like me and you enjoy napping while traveling, this neck pillow is going to keep your neck and head upright while you travel, preventing pain and aches when you wake up. It is perfect for airplane or car travel. Compared to other neck pillows on the market, this one is actually super easy to carry around because it's only 4.5 ounces. It's not bulky or U-shaped. These pillows are also easy to keep fresh for your next travel. You can simply remove the internal support and pop the wrap into the washing machine. There's honestly nothing better than arriving at your dream destination and feeling refreshed instead of feeling that you need to take a 3-hour nap and actually start missing out on your amazing trip. And with the ergonomic design that this pillow has, I guarantee you, you're going to achieve that. To use it, you simply need to loop it around, wrap it, and it's that easy. You can get this pillow now on Amazon for $64.99. This one is a little bit more expensive than other travel pillows that we have on the market, but if you want to purchase a travel pillow that will forever transform the way you travel, this one is the one to go with. Now that you have the perfect pillow to nap while you're on the plane, you're going to need a set of earplugs because we all know that planes can get very noisy. Trust me, with babies, flight announcements, and even just the altitude change, your ears can suffer the most while being on a plane. And that's why I recommend the FlyFit earplugs. They're made of reusable hypoallergenic material designed to adapt to your ear canal. They are light and very easy to remove. One of the most amazing features about this product is that it's also going to prevent you from having ear pain while you are on your plane. Changes in the altitude can cause uncomfortable pressure in your ears. The FlyFit filters act as a valve to regulate this pressure, allowing your ears to adjust without pain during takeoff and landing. They are essential for anyone who experiences ear pain while flying. They're super soft and hypoallergenic, so there won't be itching in your ears. They're also super easy to use, and you can reuse this one set of FlyFit ears for up to 100 times. If you have a wax, silicone, or any other kind of earplugs, I guarantee you this one is going to be completely different from those, and it's actually going to be so much more comfortable and better for your ear health overall. This product is $17.99 on Amazon, and it comes with 2 earplugs in a soft and firm travel case. The last category we have for you today is beauty. We all want to arrive at our dream destination looking our best, and we also want to feel our best while being there. So today we want to share some of those products that help me feel my best while traveling. Let's start with my personal favorite, the Grace and Stella award-winning under eye mask. I'm one of those girls who loves to travel with no makeup. So what I like to do is to pop a small under eye mask to keep my under eye circles hydrated while I travel. This under eye mask helps with puffy eyes and inflammation because they are made with clean and vegan products that are gentle and actually very good for your skin. This product is formulated with sea moss to help you energize tired eyes and to give you a refreshed look once you have landed. It also has hyaluronic acid, which helps reduce skin wrinkles and lines, and glycerin to lock in moisture and to help you achieve visible dewy skin. Eye patches for puffy eyes are very easy to use and give you instant results. All you have to do is to carefully place your under eye mask on your under eye area, making sure you do it on a clean and makeup-free face. Then you have to wait at least 20 minutes before you take it off. After you remove the product, you can also massage thoroughly the remaining product that you have under your eyes. This brand specifically does not need to rinse off, so you can simply take it off, and it's perfect for traveling or while you're on the go. You can buy a set of 6 pairs for $9.95 on Amazon. This product offers an excellent value at an affordable price. Next up, let's talk about Dry Shampoo, a true lifesaver when you're on vacation. Now you might be wondering, why do I have to bring a dry shampoo while I'm traveling? Well, I'm about to give you a few reasons why you should bring a dry shampoo on your travel bag. First, let's face it, traveling is meant for relaxing and exploring, not for spending hours on making your hair look good. So the Olaplex No. 4D Dry Shampoo is perfect for those days that you're traveling and don't really have the time to wash your hair. With just a few sprays at the roots, it will absorb excess oils, giving your hair that freshly washed look in seconds. Another reason to pack this dry shampoo is because it's a space saver. Instead of having to pack your shampoo, your conditioner, and a million of hair products, a good dry shampoo can do double duty. It not only refreshes your hair, but it also gives it volume and texture. This is especially handy if you're planning a night out after you spend a whole day visiting a new city or being at the beach or at the pool. To use it, shake it very well. Then separate your hair into sections and spray on your roots 6 to 10 inches away. Wait for 30 seconds for the product to completely absorb into the scalp and then massage thoroughly. This product will not leave white powdery residue or pore clogging buildup. It will leave your hair feeling clean and refreshed in seconds, and you can get it on Amazon for $30. The last product is one of the most practical products, and every woman should have it on their carry-on bag. The Gemice 16 Travel Bottle Set for Toiletries. This product is perfect for any woman that is trying to bring all her favorite products to the trip but doesn't want to consume the whole baggage with them. One of the best things about this set is the variety of travel containers it offers in a useful zip case. It comes with 4 travel bottles, 4 travel jars, 2 spray bottles, 2 scoopers, 1 funnel, 1 cleaning brush, 1 page label, and 1 clear toiletry bag, allowing you to take every single beauty product that you want to bring on your trip. And because they're under the TCA approved limit, you don't have to worry about your products getting taken away at security. Filling these bottles is super easy. The bottle cap features a no drip valve that prevents leaks. The product also comes with labels, so you don't have to guess which product is which, because you can actually label them before you pack them. You can pack all your favorite products and all your beauty essentials in these small bottles, and you don't have to worry about having bulky containers while you travel, which can also take up so much space from your actual carry-on luggage or the clothes that you want to bring into the trip. This product is $13.99 on Amazon, and it's a great investment for all of you who love to travel light. Thank you for staying with us until the end of our list for the best travel essentials for women in 2024. If you want to take a look at any of the products that we talked about today, you can find them linked at the description below. These links will have the most up-to-date prices with the best discounts. Please note that if you use any of these links, we will receive a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Thank you in advance for supporting the channel so we can keep creating free content like this for you guys. We're dedicated to bringing you the best deals online, so make sure you subscribe for more of our content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.